Hello guys, in this video we'll perform some string manipulation operations using Smowcode Studio. So let's get started. First we'll take a on start event node, take a string search node, make the flow in the string search node properties. We give search in the search input box. We'll pass here a paragraph where it will search for a word and it will return the index of that word. The index is nothing but the number of but the index of that word, which means like if I say hello Smowcode, here hello is my index 0 and Smowcode is my index 1, and here I will search for a word. In the output I will get the index. Click on done. Take a display num node, which should print the index on CL display. Make the flow here in the number, pass variable index value index label index, save the flow, verify the flow, and we're good to upload it. Go to CL display, select a port, reset your application device, and here I got the index of my word, which is 399. Let's perform some more string operations. Now we'll take compare two strings. To compare two strings, we'll take a string compare node. Let's first make a variable which stores string set value. Make the flow. Here we'll pass as text as hello Smowcode. Click on done, and here we'll connect our string compare node. In the string 1 we'll pass a variable text which value is hello Smowcode. The string 2 to compare we'll say hello Smowcode. In the compare type, we'll check if it's equal or not. In the output, we'll get the result. We'll take a display num node to print the result on our CL display. In the number, we'll pass a variable result. We'll label it as string compare result. String compare result. Click on done. Save the flow. Verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Let's go to CL display. And we got result as 1, which means that it's equal.